Brain number 8. Your brain is a paranoia machine. The human brain didn't evolve for comfort. It evolved for survival. Back when our ancestors were living in open grasslands and dark forests, being watched meant being hunted. Every rustle in the bushes could have been a predator, or worse, another human. So your brain developed a hypervigilance mode. Even in total safety, like your cozy living room, that ancient wiring can still flip on. Your modern mind is basically running Pleistocene software on 21st century hardware. I-7. The hair-raising sixth sense. Ever felt your hair stand on end? That's not random. It's part of a reflex called piloerection, the same thing cats do when they puff up their fur. It's your body's ancient way of saying, greater than, something's wrong. Get ready. But here's the wild part. Your body can trigger this even without real danger. A flickering shadow, an unexplained creak. Your brain detects possible threat and your body goes, better safe than sorry. That feeling of being watched might just be your hair doing an ancient survival dance. Flashlight number 6. The brain's motion detector is always on. Deep in your brain sits a structure called the superior colliculus. Its job? Detect movement in your peripheral vision, even before you consciously notice it. This little system is trigger happy. A flicker of light, a curtain swaying, or even your own reflection can set it off. So when you think you saw something move in the corner of your eye, you kind of did, your brain just exaggerated it. It's like having a security alarm that goes off when a leaf falls on the driveway. Hole number 5. Your imagination fills in the blanks. Humans hate uncertainty. When your brain doesn't have enough data, like in darkness or silence, it starts making stuff up. This is called pareidolia. It's the same thing that makes you see faces in clouds or hear voices in white noise. So when the house creaks and the lights are low, your brain starts painting patterns, greater than that shape in the corner. Must be a person. Your mind isn't broken, it's just overachieving. DNA number 4. The predator detection circuit. Neuroscientists have discovered something fascinating. There's a specific brain network designed to detect eyes, even when you're not aware of it. It's the same system that makes you instantly know when someone's staring at you in a crowd. It's so sensitive that it sometimes misfires. You feel eyes even when none exist. In fact, experiments show people can sense being watched at rates better than random chance. Not because of magic, but because our visual and emotional systems are hyper-tuned for social vigilance. You're not paranoid, your ancestors just didn't want to be lunch. New moon number 3. Darkness hacks your brain. When light levels drop, your amygdala, the fear center of your brain, becomes more active. Your visual accuracy drops, but your emotional brain ramps up. That means in the dark, your brain is more likely to mistake ambiguity for threat. A coat on a chair turns into a lurking shadow figure. Your own breathing sounds foreign, and that presence you feel, it's really your amygdala whispering, greater than, something's here, better stay alert. Evolution rewarded the anxious ones, because they lived to see daylight. Puzzle piece number 2. Isolation warps your senses. Ever notice that the feeling of being watched gets stronger when you're truly alone? That's not coincidence. Extended solitude messes with your dopamine and cortisol levels, the chemicals that regulate alertness and perception. Astronauts, cave explorers, and sailors have all reported the same thing: phantom presences. Some even talk to these imaginary companions just to stay sane. Your brain is a social organ, it needs people around. So when it's deprived of human faces, it starts hallucinating them. Ghost number 1. Your mind creates the watcher. Here's the strangest part. Researchers call it the third man syndrome, a phenomenon where people under extreme stress feel an unseen presence guiding or watching them. It's been reported by mountaineers, survivors, and even trauma victims. The theory? Your brain splits off a companion persona to help you endure fear or loneliness. It's like your mind creating a psychological co-pilot, so that presence you sometimes feel might just be you. A shadow of yourself, built to keep you alive. Compass bonus, why we'll probably always feel it even with all our science. We can't fully shut this off. Because the truth is, that eerie feeling has kept us safe for millions of years. It sharpened our instincts. It made us cautious in the dark. And maybe, it still keeps us alive in ways we don't fully understand. Clapperboard outro. So next time you feel that chill crawl up your spine, don't panic. Just remember, it's your brain running a 200,000-year-old defense system. And who knows? Maybe it's right. You've officially unlocked level 1 of your brain's paranoia settings. Smash that like button before your watcher does it first, and subscribe for more strange science, mind tricks, and the dark corners of human behavior. Until next time, stay curious, and maybe keep the lights on.